Good morning. I hope that all of you had a wonderful weekend. I just wanted to go over some expectations for this week. We are in week 5 of online learning, and the first thing that I wanted to go over is new and it is mandatory. I am going to send you this Google document that will be used to keep track of all of your assignments. Okay. So as you can see here, it does say that this document is mandatory. So I will be checking it on Sunday to make sure that you have filled it out. You can get to the link for the weekly learning plan. Remember that the weekly learning plan is fluid, which means I change it daily and I update it with comments and feedback. Um, all you will need to do is put your last name and then your first name. And then when you do an assignment, you are just going to put a check on it. So this one says, I watched the learning plan video and understand the directions for the weekly assignments. So as soon as you watch this video, you can go to this document and you can put a check here. It then goes through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can go ahead and check it off as you do it, so that you can keep track of if you are doing the assignments daily and if it's making sense. It is completely fine if you decide to do more than one assignment in a day. You can check off Monday and Tuesday at the same time. But as long as you are using this, this will be what I will be sharing with your parents weekly on the expectations and if you are meeting the expectations. Okay, so this is how I'm going to actually communicate with your parents. So please make sure that you are filling out this form. I will be giving you a point for doing it. So if you don't get full points at the end of the week, it's because you did not fill this form out. And it's simple enough where that you just need to put a check here, that I do require you to do it. So let's jump into the weekly learning plan. So on Monday, I already shared this video with you on Friday. If you did not have a chance to watch it, I suggest that you watch it on Monday. You are then going to go on to Desmos and you are going to click on this link and it's going to send you to an activity. It should already have your name up there, because I'm signed into Google, my name comes up. If your name does not come up, you need to sign in with Google. You are going to join and you are going to answer the questions. I will then look at your answers on Monday night and I will share a video or comments with you about this activity. Okay? On Tuesday, you are going to click on the next link, and what you are going to do is you are going to summarize, write and solve inequalities. So as you can see, it's similar to the assignment that we did last week. Okay, so you will have that on Tuesday. On Wednesday, you are going to do a check for understanding. So again, you're going to click on the link. It is going to open up and you are going to go to a formative for week 5 investigation 2, check for understandings. It will have questions. If you cannot get to the next question, remember you have to troubleshoot. You might have to scroll a little bit. You might have to refresh it, but you should all be able to answer these questions. Okay. And Thursday, you're going to watch a video that I'm going to be sharing with you. And then you are going to go over concept 8.2, investigation 3, graphing inequality. So again, if you click on the link, it will pull you or take you to the exact assignment that you need to do. You need to be reading over it. You will be exploring this interactive right here, exploring it by just basically seeing how you can change it, okay? And showing you how to graph it. It'll show you how to graph it. And then you will identify some of them. So you will actually be graphing them on your own. You'll be deciding where it goes in the number line. You will draw your arrows as needed, and you will check to see if it's right. If it's right, it'll mark it right. Sorry, this one's actually goes this way. Sorry. So this one, oops, sorry. There we go. All right, so it did, as you could tell here, I did have to get right onto the dot. I set it here and I thought that it would read it from the 3, but it did not. So you will need to practice this and try this. Once you are done, you are going to answer the questions on here. Okay. And then the final assignment is a Kahoot. It is not timed. You are going to go ahead and click on the link. The one thing I did say is you need to use your name. I will get your results, but it says enter nickname. I do want you to use your first and last name. Okay. Once you do that, you will get a grade for that. If you have any questions, I asked that this week. If you want to type your questions down here, that's fine. But I actually prefer that you send me an email. My email is down here. So if you have any questions this week, please send me an email and let me know, and I will definitely help you with that. So again, just to reiterate, you are required to fill out this enriched learning plan for the week, this Google form, and I will be grading it. So hope you guys all have a wonderful day today, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.